Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a Google custom map with multiple locations. First, search My Maps Google on your browser. Click on the My Maps option and click on the Create a New Map button. Click on the Create option to start creating your map. Go to the Import on the top left side and enter the layer name. Click on Save and you can add another untitled layer. Enter the other layer name and click Save. Click on the three dots in the pop-up window and you can open the map. You can zoom in on the map to see more locations. Point any location on the map and you can add the name here. Click on the Save button to save it on the map as the point 1. Below the search bar, click on the marker icon to add a marker. For the second point, add the title to the point. You can add multiple location points on the map with the title. Click on the three dots in the pop-up window and select the New Map option. On the new map, click the Preview option on the left side. You can view your map with the custom points. Click on point 1 to view the location on the map. Go to the icon on the top right corner of the bar. You can choose to start and end points. Same for point 2, you can set the starting and ending points. Go to the another point and you can view the location on the map. Tap on the three dots and you can download it. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.